How to get NFL Plus. If you want to watch live local primetime NFL games right from your phone or tablet, then NFL Plus is the league's own streaming service and it's easy to get started. First of all, you want to download the NFL app from App Store or Play Store. Head over to that and then search NFL. Now go ahead and install this application. After it has been installed, tap it open. Now you want to create or sign into your NFL account. For that, tap on this profile icon. Now tap on the sign in option. Enter your credentials and sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, tap on the NFL Plus banner to choose a plan, standard NFL Plus for live local primetime games and replays, or NFL Plus Premium for full condensed game replays, all 22 coaches film and more. You can also open up any web browser and head over to nfl.com/plus website. And from here, you can stream directly from your browser. Prices start at just a few dollars per month with yearly option if you want to unlock it for the whole season. Keep in mind, live games on NFL Plus are only available on mobile devices and tablets, not on your TV. For big screen viewing, you'll need a TV provider or another streaming service that carries those games. And that's all for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.